An honor well-deserved and overdue. A local World War II veteran gets a medal that he did not know he had even earned. Good evening, I'm Sean Haggerty.
And I'm Laura Emerson. Fox Toledo's Nicole Collier joins us live with this veteran's accomplishments.
Delbert Cole of Sandusky is a member of the Greatest Generation, a World War II vet and former Plumbrook Station employee. Now he can add Bronze Star recipient to his list.
Never talked about it growing up, and most of the people that I think in a situation like that is something that they probably would sooner have forgotten than all the blood and gore that they saw in a wartime.
Doug Cole's father, Delbert, enlisted in the Army back in 1941. He had his medal swept away during the Independence Day flood of '69 in Sandusky. Now, Cole says back then his father's silence was probably due to modesty. Now, 30-plus years later, he suffers from dementia and has slowly started to recount some of what he remembers.
He and 5 other guys were running in the time of a battle, and two of the guys right next to him got killed. He said he heard bullets whizzing by his head and shells going off within a few feet of him, and he said, I don't know how I didn't get killed or hurt.
Cole's wife contacted Senator Brown's office about veterans who needed medals which were lost or never received. That's how the family found out that the patriarch of their family shared something in common with the senator's father.
His family was also in the war, and he had medals that he wanted replaced, and that's how it got started. His office contacted us, and Dad's now got all his medals plus the Bronze Star.
Senator Brown says there could be several vets of World War II that are eligible for the Bronze Star. Those veterans or their family members can contact his Cleveland office for a review of their eligibility. Reporting tonight, Nicole Collier, Fox Toledo News.